thought I would share this thunder and lightning storm we are having. Not a drop of rain. Sorry about the light there. It's been going for almost an hour. Watch that I'm out here with my camera. It won't light up, but there it goes. Seems to be moving off because, of course, by the time I felt a couple drops of rain. Sorry, it's dark and rainy. It's about 11:30 at night for me. And, wow. Trying to be quiet. Yep, no, I'm feeling the rain start. Whoops. Literally hear it rolling across the sky. Can smell it. And yep, we got our first few drops of rain. Mother Nature, Gaia, something else, I tell you. Not sure if you can hear me. I guess I'm holding the camera far away from my mouth. But again, just wanted to show you I live in Washington State in the US. And this is what's going on right now. I'm undercover. I'm outside, but I am undercover, but I'm gonna go inside now. Blessed be. Everybody be safe.